are you recording?
Put your mask on, man.
Why are you recording here?
Back up.
Why are you recording here?
Back up, man.
Why are you recording
Put your mask
here?
on. Go away. Go away, man.
Okay, so why are you recording here?
Go away. It's none of your business.
Huh?
None of your
You
business.
can't film over here.
Why?
We're a chemical plant. We follow the DHS guidelines. You cannot film over here.
Why?
Unless you're instructed that you have or
No,
have authorization
those
to film
instructions
here.
are on your property, so go away.
You can't film here, man.
Of course I can. What's the law that
You
says I
can't film
can?
this building.
Is there a law?
Yes, you can't film this building.
Okay, what's the law?
We're under DHS
I don't
protocol.
care.
You can't film here. We're a chemical plant. You can't film here.
Says who, man?
I can call the cops. They can arrest you.
How much you want to make a bet that the cops are not going to arrest me and they're going to tell you to leave me alone?
You're filming
How much you want to
property.
make a bet, man?
We can bet.
Are you a betting man?
We can bet.
You got $1,000 bucks?
Yeah.
All right, make your crybaby call then. I'm ready to pay. Make your crybaby call, man. Call the cops. Go ahead.
I'll call the cops if you're going to call the cops. But I'm just saying, you just can't film
Hey,
here.
we got a bet going on, man. $1,000 says that they're going to tell you to leave me, the photographer, alone, and they're going to tell
okay, so
you
who
that you
authorized
can't
you
do
to film
nothing
our
about it,
property?
man. Go away.
Who authorized you to film our property?
None of your business.
Nobody did.
You're just a security guard, man. You're nobody. Go away.
And I'm instructed to tell you, you can't film in here. If you have,
Wrong.
if you talk
Wrong.
to somebody, you can film
Wrong.
here.
Wrong. I got permission to be here, man. It's
Permission
called
from
the
who?
First Amendment. It's called the First Amendment, man. I don't
To
need
film
anybody else's permission.
To film a chemical plant?
Yeah, hell yeah. Chemical
You can't-
plant, electrical plant, power, whatever it is.
No,
Hell yeah.
not a
all day
chemical
long.
plant, man. Not a chemical
Man, you're
plant.
very misinformed for being a security guard, man. You're very uneducated.
You can't film here.
Says who, man?
I know. I'm very educated. You can't film here.
Okay, how much you want to make a bet that you're wrong?
Unless somebody has given you the authorization.
How much you want to
film
make a
here,
bet that you're wrong, man?
You already. I don't have time for childish games. I'm
go
just
away.
doing my job, and
Go away,
and
man.
that's it. All of this is doing is just saying you cannot film here
your
unless
mask on,
somebody
man.
has told you that you can film
Put
here.
your mask on. Put your mask on, dude. Okay, being dirty.
Why are you filming here, sir?
It's none of your business. First of all, because you don't have your mask on. So,
That's why you're filming here?
hey, that's one of the reasons.
Can I ask you, why are you filming here?
Is that your badge number, 1327?
Why are you filming here,
Is
sir?
that your badge number, sir?
Yes, it is. 1327. Yes,
What's
it
your
is.
name?
So why are you filming here?
What's your name, sir?
Anthony Smith.
Okay, all right. You have a good day, man. Carry on, man.
I'm trying to figure out why you're filming here, sir.
It's really none of your business, man. I still don't understand why you're still here.
This is our business. You cannot film here. That's
Why
why.
not? What am I compromising by holding the camera here?
What you're doing, sir?
What am I compromising?
Why are you documenting?
Yeah, what am I compromising here? All I see
We
is
don't
a bunch
know
of
who you
trucks,
are.
a gate, and a brick wall, man. That's all I see.
We don't know who you are, sir.
I don't know who you are.
I work here.
Okay, well,
Okay.
none of your, I don't have to explain to you what I'm doing, man. What makes you think? What
I'm not
makes you
asking.
authority?
I'm not asking to explain. All I'm sitting there telling you is that you cannot film here.
You're lying.
You cannot film here.
You're lying, man.
Diego, come in.
You're lying, dude.
I'm not lying.
You are lying.
I'm not
You don't
lying,
know
sir.
the law.
I'm not lying, sir.
You're a security guard and you don't even know the public photography
Diego,
law.
can you get Adam out here ASAP, please? Cannot film here, sir.
Why not?
We're a chemical plant.
Okay, but what's the law that says I can't film a chemical plant?
Well, go ahead and go to dhs.gov.com and you go ahead and you research it. I don't need to explain it to you, sir.
You're a security guard. You're the one
I don't need to
enforcing
explain it to you, sir.
it. You're the one enforcing it.
I don't need to explain it to you.
Of course you do.
All I'm just trying to say is you cannot film here, sir.
Well, I'm already doing it, man, and my delete button broken.
You cannot film here, sir.
Don't touch me, man. I'm warning you.
I'm not touching you.
Don't get close to me.
I'm not
warning
touching you.
man.
All I'm saying to say,
This
you
is
cannot
the first
film
and
here.
final warning.
You
Do not
cannot
approach me, man.
film here. You cannot
Do not
film here.
approach me.
You cannot
I've
film
walked
here.
away from you twice already.
You
Leave
cannot
me
film
alone,
here.
man. Leave me alone. Go back to
So you
work.
cannot film here.
You don't patrol the streets, man. That's what the police are for.
I'm patrolling the property.
This is the street. This is the
Okay,
public
you
sidewalk.
cannot film the
This
property.
is the public sidewalk, man. Go away. You're following me off your property is what you're doing.
Sir,
Your
This is our
post is
driveway.
on that property,
This
man.
is our
Go back to
driveway,
your
sir.
post.
This is our driveway.
Go back to your post.
This is our driveway, sir.
No, it's a public sidewalk. That's your driveway over there. That's your driveway back there, dude.
BG home, CFP, beach regular, 8 by 60 pounds. BG home, CFP,
Diego, come in.
yeah,
Go Adam.
yeah, he knows me.
Down in the double time, bro. He's down here ASAP.
Yeah, 64 is great value, right now.
Why don't you go away, man? Why don't you go away? Why are you still here?
We have the camera still facing our property, that's why.
And what are you going to do about it? Nothing. You can't do nothing about it, dude.
You're not supposed to be filming here, man.
You're not the police, man. You have no authority.
I'm not saying I am
Your
the police.
authority is behind that gate, and that's it, man. Oh man, you better pay up that $1,000.
Some of these guys live in their basement just looking for some kind of trust.
We found them. We found them right here.
Leave them alone.
Later, kick rocks. Kick rocks, man.
I apologize, dude.
Yeah, all right. Well, you owe me $1,000, dude.
Now this is our property.
Hey, go away. No, this is the public sidewalk, dude. That's your property, so go away. Go away, crybaby. Now you're a crybaby too? Dang. The world is full of crybabies, and you guys are on the top of the list. See ya. Later, Yoron. Woo! That guy owes me $1,000. We made a bet that I wasn't breaking the law, and he took the bet. So I need to get paid before I leave. Hey, I need to get paid before I go, man. $1,000. Hey, when you call the cops and they make it official, that's an official bet. $1,000. $1,000. I could be here filming all day long, all day strong, without anybody's permission. This guy came out, he wouldn't get out of my face. I kept trying to back away and told him to keep his distance, and I had to tell him to put his mask on. And here we are, guys. Here we are. They're trying to say that this is their property. They're trying to say the public sidewalk is their property. What a fool. What a fool. Marco Mar, what up? Tom, Brad, Eli, oh, Alfred, what's going on? One woo in the house. Woo, woo. Gone whoop whoop in the house.